Welcome students. In the last class we understood about the subjective case and objective case of the noun. In today's class we will understand the possessive case of the noun, and we will also understand the case in apposition or the noun which refers to the case in apposition. Okay, so let's understand possessive case. Possessive case, it refers to the ownership or the belongingness. Possessive case refers to ownership or the belongingness. For example, Ram's house. That means the ownership of Ram on the house. Okay, but sometimes it refers to the belongingness also. For example, and Ram's car. Okay, so these are the examples of ownership. And if I say other examples, when they don't show the ownership but they show the belongingness. For example, children's playground, Ram's school. Okay, Shakespeare's plays. Okay, the president's speech. So here, a mother's love. So here in these examples, a sense of belongingness is indicated, not of ownership. Okay, and see some more examples of ownership. For example, Ashok's hotel, means Ashok is the owner of the hotel. Okay, or Mary's table. Okay, so these are the examples which indicate the ownership. These are the examples which indicate the belongingness. Now let's understand some cases of possessive noun where we use possessive noun. Some cases in which we use possessive noun. So what are these cases? Let's understand. The first case, when we personify the things. You just see the example. Possessive case is used in the following cases. Number one, when certain things are personified. Okay, when things are personified. For example, nature's laws at death's door. Nature's laws at death's door at a India's heroes, India's heroes next. So here when certain things are personified, then we use possessive case, and we don't use possessive case, we don't use possessive case with non-living, okay. For example, table's legs, this is wrong. What is the correct one? The legs of the table, okay. So here we should understand that with non-living we will not use possessive. So how possessive case is used or not used, we are considering both, okay. Third case, with weight, distance and time. With weight, distance and time we use possessive case. Possessive case. For example, a week's holiday, an hour's time, a pound's weight, at a stone's throw, a foot's length, okay. So these are the examples of possessive case. Now we will consider one more case in which the noun which is used with the preposition gives one meaning, and when the same noun is used in possessive case, then it has more than one meaning. So how? Let's see how it happens. When a noun is used with a preposition, it has a certain meaning, but when the same noun is used in possessive case, then it has another meaning. So how it is possible? Let's understand. Note, sometimes a noun used with a preposition has a certain meaning, but in possessive case it has a different meaning. For example, the love of a father. Okay. Here with preposition we are using a noun here. So here the father's love. The father's love. This is the noun that we are using in possessive case. If we use this noun in possessive case, then father's love, it means the love of a father for the child, or the child's love for the father, child's love for the father. Okay, so it has two meanings. When it is used in possessive case, you may interpret it in both ways. Now we will consider about case in apposition. So let's understand the noun used as a case in apposition. Noun in apposition. Noun in apposition. What is the literal meaning of apposition? Apposition means placed near. Apposition means placed near. And one more thing, the noun in apposition will be in the same case as the noun which it refers. Okay? Noun in apposition has the same case as the noun in subjective case, which it refers. For example, Shakespeare, the great dramatist, is quite popular all over the world. So here you can see what is case in apposition? Dramatist. It is placed near the Shakespeare. Okay, so dramatist is the noun which is in apposition to Shakespeare, which is in subjective case. So this noun will also be in the subjective case as we have just discussed. See one more example. Ram, the leader, has arrived. Ram, the leader, has arrived. So here you can see the leader is a case in apposition with Ram. Okay. So I hope you have understood what are the nouns in apposition and how these are used, what is their importance. A noun in apposition is always in the same case as the noun which it refers to, or the noun which is in subjective case to which it refers. Okay. So thank you for watching, and keep watching. Recommend the channel to your friends, and if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you once more.